What's up guys? Hello YouTube, hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is Shahryar Rahmani. I'm stock and option trader, and in this video I want to explain why I traded Amazon and what was the result of this trade. I traded Amazon options, and in this video I will explain why I entered, the reason behind the trade, the entry, the exit, how I managed the position, and how I traded options on it, so that you can do the same thing yourself as well. But make sure to educate yourself, understand all the ins and outs of trading, learn how to manage your position and manage risk, and understand everything about options before taking any trade. So let's go and check out this video.
All right, let's go over my Amazon's trade today, which is August 14th, 2023. Now, the reason I traded Amazon was that basically Amazon was breaking this trend line after the earning. So after the earning, we had a big gap up. Obviously, we needed some consolidation. That happened. And finally, this trend line is getting broken and basically got broken today. Now, if you go and check out 15-minute chart, you can see a clean break here. Broke pre-market high level, which was yesterday high as well, and then continued running higher. Now I entered around these levels. If you check out 5-minute chart, I entered around these levels when I saw buyers are basically holding the level, and I kind of added to my position around 10 a.m. I got into 140 call options on Amazon, and then I scaled out of my position, and the last position I exited was around 11:10 something. So if you see, Amazon overall setup was really good. I had it on watch in the community. I explained that in the community before the market opened for Trading Club Incubator members, and basically I was waiting for it for a couple of days, and I mentioned that in Sunday market preparation webinars for our members as well. Now if I go and check out the chart here, you can see that this is my P&L. My entry was around 10 here, as you see here at these levels, and then I got out of my last kind of positions around this 11 10 11 12. I kind of my average entry was around 1.5, and I exited around 1.89, around $2. So overall, the trade was really amazing. I had around 8-to-1 reward to risk ratio, which is insane. Okay, 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio is really good. What is reward to risk ratio? It's basically the amount of money you're risking in that trade for the potential profit. So it means that I basically risked $1 to make $8, around $8 in this trade. I risked around $300. I had my stop loss around these levels, around 138.65, and like around that levels, right? So, and basically I risked $1 for a potential $8 profit. And as you see, I kind of risked $300 for this like 2,600 profit. Now, overall, it was a great trade. I think tomorrow it will be also an amazing trade. We'll see when Amazon kind of opens tomorrow. And if you see this video in the future, you can literally see what will happen on basically August 15th. So go and check it out. It gapped up and it's kind of continuing, kind of holding above this 140. So overall, amazing trade. You can check out this entry and exits as well. Go and learn how to trade. Obviously, to know how to execute, you need to know your edge. You need to know what confirmations you want to enter the trade, right? And the confirmation can be indicator, can be price action, can be a lot of factors to enter the trade comfortably. Then you want to manage your position. You want to control your risk, right? So without controlling your risk, without knowing how much money you want to lose to have a potential profit, if a trade goes against you and you don't know how much you want to risk, that trade can be detrimental and you can lose all of your profits, or in some cases, all of your account. And importantly, more importantly, you want to know trading psychology. You want to master trading psychology. You want to know exactly how to manage your emotions during different scenarios. How the trade is going in your favor, how to manage and stay in the position without becoming emotional, right? Build discipline, have self-awareness in different situations in the market. Be able to be patient, wait for the setup to come to you. And obviously when you want to trade options, it's very important to know what contract you want to choose and how manage your positions and be familiar with the volatility of the option. So I talk about all of these topics in Meta Trading Club Incubator program, which is a 4-week live trading program. And we go over all the basics to advance of trading stocks, futures, forex, crypto, and options, which is a powerful security. And we talk about how to build an edge, how to manage risk, how to manage psychology, and build your own customized trading system. So if you want to learn more, check out the link in the descriptions. Check out metatradingclub.com to learn more. You can download my ebook. You can watch my 1-hour free lesson. And you can follow me on Instagram, Shahryar Trades, to learn more about my day-to-day trades and daily trade tips. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions. I will see you in the next video. Take care.